My dear viewers, welcome back to the second presentation of the practical aspect of the hybrid digital print estimation and costing application. I'll take you through the sheets. This is the digital input sheets for the various sizes. These are the estimation sheets ranging from A5, A4, A3 up to B3, depending on the nature of the job to be done. And in this case, we shall start with our calendars, desktop calendars, which are 500 in quantity, and they have 20 pages. Remember, it's about pages, not about leaves. You'll go straight to its estimation sheet, which is A5 size. Capture the job ID, enter the customer's name, the job title, choose from the drop-down menu a list of jobs, their magazines, their posters, their books, in this case, their desktop calendars. Define whether it's a new job or an old job, a reprint. The order quantity, the page numbers will come automatically. Remember to enter the date, the telephone contact, the delivery due date, the relationship manager, status of the artworks, to bring you to the final size of the job, where you will also be required to edit the format of the prints. Under materials, it will have to provide you a list of items you have in your stores, and you choose as per the customer requirements. What you will be expected of to do is to provide for the appropriate overs depending on the performance of every production line. Come to the unit cost, where you're expected to edit the unit price of every paper, of the invoice for the paper supplier. In case they are books, of course, they will require covers. This is where this will be required to edit. Come to plates, you have to define whether it's a full color job or a black and white job. Then you'll be able to edit the unit price of the plates as per the supplier invoice. If it's a digital print, you have to indicate whether it's a full color job or it's a black and white job, or it's an album, or it's a book, or it's a poster. What you'll be expected of to do is to edit the click charges as per the contractual obligations. Then under ink, it will do the calculation of for you for the quantities of ink. What you'll be expected of to do is to edit the unit price of the kilogram of the inks. Other activities like lamination, digital foiling, full varnish, auto gluing, all the quantities will come automatically. You'll be expected to enter only the unit price at which you bought or at which you charge. Under labor charges, it defines all the activities ranging from prepress up to the post-press. You'll have to go down the drop-down menus. In case it's designing, choose as per appropriate, whether it's logo designing and branding, up to whether it's for packaging, it requires die cutting. You'll have to choose all those attributes. What you are expected of is to edit the unit prices as per the labor man hours, as per the company policy. Then it will bring you down to issues of overhead costs, handling costs, surcharges, commission. As per the company policy, again, there are drop-down menus that will determine. You just choose whether it's 0 rated or 1%. If VAT is 18%, definitely you choose 18%. If it's 0, you choose 0. Finally, it will bring you to the unit price of the cost of the desk calendar. And in case you want to know whether it's cheaper or expensive to do it on Sheetfed, you just go to the critical path button and choose Sheetfed. So you can see it has brought 5,777 on Sheetfed. So for you to determine whether it's digital friendly, you just click digital, it will bring 5,637. So in this case, you know the critical path. So the same applies to other jobs like books for Macquarie University client. You realize the unit price is 24,000. For you to know whether it's cost effective on Sheetfed, you just click a button, so you realize it is cheaper on on Sheetfed. So the same applies to posters. So they are A3 size. So digital, it's 7,408. On Sheetfed, it is 1,265. So meaning that it's cheaper to do the posters on digital. So this is the role of a critical path. Thank you very much.